What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So sorry that I have been MIA, but your girl has been so busy with work, hence why I'm trying to squeeze in this wig review right quick before work. So yes, y'all, I'm in my work clothes. I did not even try to spruce up my background. No beat face. I'm legit going to work. Let's talk about OUTRE half weave jewelry in the color 1B. This is her fresh out the pack. And y'all, I will admit, she's kind of shining, fresh out the pack. She's a little shiny, but this wavy curl pattern is beautiful. Now, this is an oldie but goodie, okay? So this is an older style unit. You know, back in the day, the units were way more shiny. It's nothing that a little baby powder or dry shampoo can't help, but I think it's a beautiful unit. It's super soft. Standard cap construction for a half wig with that long comb in the front and then a comb in the back and the adjustable straps. Now, I will say that this unit I do feel is big head friendly and little head friendly because there's a lot of notches on the strap in the back for some reason. I think more than normal. So you're able to really loosen it or adjust it really well. So this is how I prepped my hair, and I have it stretched out. I really didn't need to wand curl that front part. My hair is getting longer, y'all. I'm starting to not be able to just pop it in a bun in the back. I really should braid it down, but I'm being lazy. I'm trying to head out the door, and this is what I'm just gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this unit on right quick and just go ahead and feed that comb right there at the top. And look how beautiful this is fresh out. Like, boom. Look at that. Whoop, it's done. It's so easy to blend with my hair. I really was surprised. Now, I will say that this color 1B doesn't quite match my hair, and the only reason is because I actually dyed my hair like a couple days ago black, and so that's my fault. You know, my hair is a little bit darker than normal, but I don't think it's all that obvious. I'm taking my Dollar Tree hair gel, okay, or edge control. I love this stuff. It's so cheap. You can get it at the Dollar General, and this little pink edge control little toothbrush situation, and I'm just gonna kind of spruce this up a little bit. Again, I'm not going for no cute super fleeky brow look. I'm going to work, so you know, this unit is perfect for that everyday girl. I can definitely see myself wearing this on a casual day, really popping with some red lips popping, some hoops, you know, feeling really cute. And then also just every day. And I feel like this is one of those units that's going to look better and better and better the more you wear it, because she's a little bit shiny, and then she's one of those units that you have to like have it lay and train it to lay a certain way, if that makes sense. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And a lot of older units are like this, where the more you wear it, the more it just really starts to lay where it needs to be and just looks a little bit more natural. But all I did was just take my fingers and just kind of run it through it. I didn't take a comb or brush to it because I like the curl pattern of it. I like the waviness, and I didn't want to disrupt it too much. And let me take off this little cardigan so you could see, like, you know, the black not against the black jacket or whatever, and just really see how it looks. This is the length. Again, everyday beautiful style. I think it's perfect for a natural look. It's nothing super popping, but I think it's a great everyday sassy unit. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. Please disregard, you know, the ratchetness going on in my background and me not really looking all put together. I just really wanted to get something up for you guys and show you what I've been rocking for work lately. And let me know if you have any questions down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.